Hello and welcome to Getting Started with Python. The first code to test a programming language is Hello World. As a beginner to the Python language, you will be faced with the task of searching, downloading, installing, and configuring Python. Python is a powerful imperative language that can perform specialized programming tasks such as machine learning, computational analysis, and data exploration. There are many considerations in installing and configuring Python, including hardware requirements, virtual environments, IDE, and libraries. All these tasks can be daunting and complicated. All we want to do right now is to run our very first Hello World program. What are your options in writing and executing Python programs? There are two major considerations, online or offline, depending on the availability and ability to connect to the internet, your localization, and your personal choice. Now let's go to the online option. Here, the codes are stored in the cloud and the runtime environment is also executed entirely in the cloud. In the offline option, the codes are stored in your local disks and the runtime environment is executed in your computer's processing unit. Now there are two further choices for the online option, the Jupyter and Google Colab. And there are also two further choices for the offline option, the use of Anaconda or Spider. Now let us go to the online option. In the online option, the first choice is web-based Jupyter. The programs in web-based Jupyter are written and executed in the development environment called notebooks through a browser. In the other option is Google Colab. Google Colab offers a Jupyter Notebook-like environment and it is free, and since it is tied to your Google account, it can be linked to your Google Drive and GitHub to store your notebook files. Now in the offline environment, there are two further choices, the use of Anaconda and Spider. Now, Anaconda is a free and open source distribution for scientific computing, and Anaconda simplifies the package management and the deployment of programs. In Spider, the interpreter is installed separately and preferably prior to the installation of Spider.